Student, today we are going to study the new chapter number 14, and that is water. So today we will study where do we get water from. So basically I can say we can say that from where do we get water, हमें water कहाँ से मिलता है. So the answer is the water which we use is obtained from the sources such as river, lakes, pond, well and springs. The river gets their water from the melting of snow lying on the peak of the snow mountain and also from the rains. So I can say that rivers get their water from the melting of snow के melt होने से, और from the rain. Lakes, pond and well get their water from the rains. The largest source of water on the earth are oceans. Now we can say water has three states. The first one is solid, liquid, gas. So the example of solid is ice cube. Whenever we use ice cube, basically we can see in your refrigerator, we can easily see ice is a solid form. So ice is a solid form, water, liquid and steam, that is in gas form. So solid examples are ice, snow. These are the examples of water in solid state. Liquid, tap water is the example of liquid state. Vapor, steam or water vapor is the example of water in vapor state. So water has three states: solid, liquid and gas. Water can be changed from one state to another by heating or cooling. How? When ice is heated, it melts and change into the water. So I can say when the ice is heated, when we provide some heat to the ice, it will melt and convert into the water. When water is cooled too much, it freezes and change into the ice. When water is heated, it evaporate and change into the water vapor. When the water vapor is cooled, it condense and change into the liquid. So water vapor, the process in which water vapor convert into the liquid by giving some coolness, that process is called condensation. And when the water is heated, it evaporates, and that process is called evaporation. So despairing trick of water, evaporation or transpiration. Disappearing matlab removal of water. How can water remove? The first one is by evaporation or transpiration. So let's discuss what you mean by evaporation. The changing of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Water need heat to evaporate into water vapor. If we want to dry our washed and wet school uniform, we should spread it near a heater. The process of evaporation of salt does not carry away the salt within it, and the salt is left. So I can say evaporation is basically a process in which changing of water or in a liquid state into the water vapor, that is gaseous state, is called evaporation. Now let's discuss what you mean by transpiration. The loss of water from the plant as a water vapor, the pores of their leaves is called transpiration. So I can say there's a two difference between the transpiration and evaporation. In evaporation, the loss of water from the ocean, that is called evaporation. But the loss of water from the plants of the leaves is called transpiration. For today, thank you so much. We will continue it tomorrow. Bye-bye.